In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. Updated, vertical bar, change Chinese language to English. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the 3 vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to settings and other browser options. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A menu will open. In that menu, select Settings. If your Chrome language is currently changed, the text may look different, but the Settings option is located inside that same 3-dot menu. Take your time and click carefully. From there, find and click Language. This section controls the display language used by Chrome. If the browser is currently set to Chinese, this is the area where you can begin changing it back to English. Depending on your version of Chrome, the language option may appear in the left sidebar or within the main settings page. So just scroll a little if needed until you find it. When you are in the language section, look for English in the available language options. If English is already listed, select it as the browser language. If it is not listed, you may need to add it first from the same language area, then choose it. The wording may vary slightly depending on your Chrome version, but the location is the same. After choosing English, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser for the change to fully apply. If you see that option, click Relaunch. This is normal, and it helps Chrome refresh the interface in the new language. When Chrome opens again, the menus and settings should appear in English. That covers everything you need to know.